There's a lot to love about Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers.
I like to get vanilla concretes with cookie dough and rainbow sprinkles.
Oh, turtle sundae, without a doubt.
I like the PB&C with peanut butter cups, bananas, whipped cream and cherry. It's delicious.
I love Freddy's.
Treat yourself to Freddy's famous sundaes with rich and creamy frozen custard made fresh throughout the day. Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers, the taste that brings you back.
You want to win a free 3-month subscription to WWE Network?
Well, head to your local retailer and buy 3 participating boxes of Golden Crisp or Honeycomb cereal.
And upload your receipts by February 29th to WWEExpost.com.
How do you make Vegemite?
Please explain.
Well, I'll tell you. You take a bit of this and that, just a swig, a couple of these, but make sure they're big. Put it in a pan or a metal container, add a bit of bite, and that's a no-brainer. You need texture and colour and plenty of cheese. Add this, add that, and 3 or 4 of these. Yep, all of the above. Yes, spread the love. You need sweet and spicy and plenty of zing. Just a combination of random things. Yep, yeah, you betcha. I don't know. Much better. Start this cooking. It's going to get hot. Add a dozen of these or whatever you got. Chop it, slice it, give it a good beat. 1 of these, 2 of those, and this'll make it sing. Yep. That's not a thing. Add a cup of this and this for a laugh. A whole 1 of these or maybe just half. Serving suggestion, breakfast, lunch and tea. The finish line's close, just wait until it's free. Follow these instructions, there'll be no failure. It's Vegemite. Tastes like Australia.
Friends forever, stay together.
Journey Girls.
Okay, best moment of your vacation? Go.
We took the most epic off-road trip to the mountains.
Yeah, we went to Grandma's horse farm.
Journey Girls, exclusively at Amazon. Dolls and sets, each sold separately.
Friends forever, stay together.
We started out at the back of a borrowed van. A van that changed us and Chips forever. So thanks, Keeper of the Keys, for a chance to chase sweet honey, barrel-aged bourbon, and mouth-puckering pepperoncini. Because of that van, and because of everybody who loves to crunch like we do, we ramble on, knowing that caring for your taste buds and the planet they hail from is no small potatoes. Kettle brand chips, no small flavors, no small potatoes.
The earth beneath my feet is turning like a wheel and beating like a drum.
Your first set of wheels didn't come with complications, or strings, or hassles. It can be that way again.
Now that the world keeps turning around.
Tire Pros. Hassle-free, guaranteed.
Ruby Tuesday 3-course meal, just $12.99. One-of-a-kind garden bar.
Salad!
Now with 8 entrees, including 2 new flavors.
Chicken!
Oh. And a dessert.
Kilo!
Chocolate! 3-course meal at Ruby Tuesday.
Wow! Hey!
Room, please.
Ta-da!
Kaboom.
Building a home is a lot like building a future. It's the things you do first that matter most. It all starts with a strong foundation, one that stands the
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York until 8 a.m. At 5:57 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen for some parts of the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Freeport, Valley Stream, Long Beach, Garden City, Lynbrook, Mineola, Westbury, Farmingdale, Massapequa, Plainview, Woodmere, Levittown, Hempstead, Cedarhurst, and Atlantic Beach. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties in New York, Nassau, and Queens.
Think about it 7 days a week. So tell me if you're rolling with me.
Let's face it, there are a lot of ways you'd rather spend your time, like some retail therapy, or spending time, thinking. But if you have to spend time getting your vehicle serviced, trust CJ's Tire and Automotive, where they value your time as much as your business. CJ's goes above and beyond to make sure you're in and out in no time, with AAA-approved services performed by reliable, high-quality ASE certified technicians. CJ's Tire and Automotive. Better, faster, and more affordable.
Flash flood watch remains in effect through this evening. The flash flood watch continues for portions of northern Delaware, northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in northeast Maryland, Cecil; in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Salem, Somerset, and western Monmouth; in southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lower Bucks, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. Through this evening, heavy showers and thunderstorms will pass through the region today through this evening. Overall, 1 to 3 inches of rain will fall with locally higher amounts possible. Despite the recent dry weather, rain rates may be high enough to result in flash flooding. Of particular concern are urban areas as well as low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties in New York, Nassau, and Queens. Repeating, a flash flood watch remains in effect through this evening for portions of northern Delaware, northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania.
Let the swimming fun begin with a stroke, stroke, splash, splash. Water safety's fun.
All ages.
With a stroke, stroke, splash, splash. Water safety's fun. Safety swims for everyone.
Visit our website for special savings.
The innovations you love about our front loads are now available in our top loads. Remarkable energy savings, extraordinary capacity. Introducing the no-compromise Kenmore Elite Top Load Washers. Save now at Sears.
It's time to play Keno from the Pennsylvania Lottery. Just select the number of spots and dollar amount you want to play. Then select how many consecutive draws you want and pick your numbers. Take your ticket and look at that board light up. Keno from the Pennsylvania Lottery.